gutom na kayo? Meron tayo dyan. Snack exchanges. Best offering drinks and foods over there.
So, ano pa alam yung singer nila?
Rhea.
Rhea, so, do you have an alias or something?
Rhea.
Okay, so please tell us something about your band.
First, the name of my band is Ethereal, and we started here 2005. We've been performing in conventions na rin ever since. And yeah, we're composed of 5 members, Jordan the bassist, Albert the drummer, Manny the guitarist, and also Alfred the lead.
So, sa band nyo, meron na kayong mga na-compose na original songs niyo?
Yes, meron na po kami 2 compositions.
Talaga? Really? Tell us something about those songs.
The first one is actually inspired by a Japanese rock band, Hayu Mighty Colors. And we're actually going to, hopefully, we're going to pass the composition sa isang indie film and might become the theme song ng indie film. And yung gusto namin composition is somehow inspired by the Western band Paramore.
Okay, thank you very much. Meron kayong mga gig or something?
Meron po kaming upcoming gig, November 17 sa Bongkapo Society sa Makati, Twitter. And meron din kami sa November 24 sa UP Bayan Alumna, UP Cacoenza.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.